Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Soba Juliana. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and do not forget to click the like button at the end of this video. Also, try to turn on your notification bell to know when I upload new videos. So today we'll be making this beautiful Ankara sneakers with this Ankara fabric. All you need for this video is this is my old sneakers. This is my old sneakers. So I will be covering it up today with this Ankara fabric. You need your glue as well. Look for permanent glue, any permanent glue for craft or wood. Like this one is a permanent glue. It sticks. Once it sticks, it's permanent. And you need your scissors. So let's go straight to it. Here you have this fabric. All you need to do first, remove the shoelaces, leave it open because we don't need this anymore. So I will go ahead like this. You place your Ankara fabric like so. Use your glue to glue down the edges and place it like so. The edges that will be here, you have to fold it and apply the glue. I'll go ahead and cut it first. I'll first of all work from here to here. This side first. You see how the shape of the shoe, the pattern of the sneakers, you have to follow the pattern. It's very, very important for you to get a good finishing. So like so, I'll go ahead now and cut it out and use my glue to glue it. I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, I finished gluing down this side because my sneakers pattern is like divided, you see. So I have to follow the shapes gradually. So I'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and glue down the other side of here. Yes, see, it's coming out nice. So I'll do that now and come back again and show you the next step. So now I will show you guys something before I place it, that you have to fold down the edges. First of all, place your glue here at the end edge of your fabric, one side of your fabric, and spread your glue. Fold it like so. Just fold it a little bit so that you have a good finishing at the end. You see, you have a good finishing. So use your glue and glue down the edge, or you can as well use your machine and sew it. If you don't want to do it with glue, you can use your machine, or you use your needle to stitch it down before placing it. Yes, I think it's better to sew it down with your needle, just to give it a nice finishing, so that when you place it, it will look nice and even. Yes, that's the essence of this. That's what I want to show you guys. You see, I folded it down a little bit and I see the nice finishing. So I'll go ahead and continue to place it here. I'll come back and show you guys the next. Yes, I'm still working on gluing down the fabric. You see, when you have a shoe like this, you see how the design, you see the line here. You have to cut your fabric according to this shape. You see how I cut my fabric? So when you cut it, you put your glue and gradually just take your time and fold in the fabric according to the shape of your shoe, so that you have a nice finishing. So now I'll fold down the edges first. You see, I'll fold down the edges and then here fold it down again. You see the pointing edges here. I'll fold it down and fold again till I get the shape and place it like so. You see, now you have the exact shape of this sneaker. So I'll just finish it up and come back and show you guys the next step. Yes, as you can see, the sneaker is coming to life. Can you see that? So now you see the shape of this shoe. You see how it is. Some of the sneakers used to have, I think, the elastic, something, not elastic, sorry, laces that you can use to, like a rope. So when you have something like that, you have to remove the ropes. But this one doesn't have any, but there are some, you see this space here. So now you have to place in order to get the desired shape for here, to cover this place up, you have to fold it, place a fabric to know exact measurement that can cover this space. So now we have something like this that can cover it. So I'll go ahead and glue it down, and I'll come back to show you guys the next step. Yes, as you guys can see, I've already finished covering this space. Remember I told you how you can cut it out and use it to cover it. You see, it's coming together. So now what we'll do next is you grab a fabric again and place like so. Just the only thing in this video very difficult is for you to follow the pattern of your shoe. You place this like, see how I place this fabric. That will show me the pattern again. I'll cut like so, go around and cut it. So like yeah, I'll just follow the pattern now and cut. When you are cutting, make sure you leave extra fabric to fold in, because you have to fold in the edges to make it look nice and even. So I'll go ahead and trim out the shape of this remaining sneaker. Then I'll come back again and show you guys the next step. Yes, I'll finish. You see, the sneaker is almost done. I've finished fixing the Ankara fabric all over the sneaker. It's almost done. So at this level, I'll go ahead and see here it has the rough edges. I'll go ahead and place something. Just figure out something you can do to make it look nice. It's all about creativity. So figure out. So I made up this little fabric to cover up here. You see here it doesn't look good. So to cover up around here, I'll use this to cover it up, and the shoe is done. See? I'll go ahead and do that and finish the next pair. Then I'll come back to show you guys the final look. Yes, I almost finished gluing the whole shoe. You see, it's almost ready. Just this part now. I'll go ahead and put my glue. I almost ran out of glue. So I'll go with this. This is also a permanent glue. You have to be careful not to overspray. Like, I don't want it to get to the sole of the shoe. So now I'll go ahead and as you are gluing it, just make sure you are not using, because the glue tends to dirty the fabric, like almost all the body. That's the only thing I have to tell you guys. When you are doing this, you have to be careful in order not to ruin your fabric. You see this one, but I know after doing this, I'll go along and wipe some of the glue out. Wipe it out of the fabric in order to make it have a nice finishing and make it a little bit professional. So as it is now, the shoe is ready. But I think I'll put one more thing and it's done. I would like to put like decoration to my sneaker, just to make it have a new look. Yeah. See, the shoe is done. You see, yeah, at this point I will make something like a bow tie. See the idea, like to make something like this, to put it here, at the center, just to make something beautiful, to cover here, to cover anything, like all the edges. I just want to make something like this, like a bow, and put at the center of my shoe. It's totally optional, but I want to do it. I'll come back and show you guys the final look. Yes, this is we're almost done with the Ankara sneaker. Ankara sneaker. You can see how I make a bow tie to cover up the whole edges, rough edges that are not good. See, this is the idea. You see the bow tie. So I'll go ahead and place this one right here. Place it right here, and we're done. You see the whole idea? Can you see that? Now we have a beautiful Ankara sneaker. Beautiful Ankara sneaker. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do so, and support me. Also click the like button. Also put on your notification bell so that you know when I upload videos. I normally upload like 3-4 times every week. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.